Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to register microsurveys in FieldGenius. So in order to proceed with registration, you're going to need to do two things. You're going to need to make sure that you have the proper version of FieldGenius installed, and you're also going to need to ensure that you have your FieldGenius serial number. So what I've done is I've installed the latest version of FieldGenius at the time of filming this video, which is 11.1.1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit full screen here to launch into FieldGenius. And as I have a demo copy here on my computer, you can see that it comes up with this About FieldGenius option, and it's telling me I have an invalid key, please check the entered keys, and that's because I haven't entered a key and I'm just running it as a demo mode. But you can see here there's a device ID that is sitting right here for my computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and save it somewhere else on my computer. And then I'm going to close out of FieldGenius here, and I'm going to go to my webpage, which I conveniently already had open, like I was going to be there for this video. That is this microsurvey.com/register page, and I'll just link to it in the video description down below. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to choose FieldGenius from the available products that I can register. So I'm going to select FieldGenius here, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring me to this license maintenance page. And what I need to do is I need to enter my serial number for microsurveys FieldGenius. So in this case, I'm going to enter one that I have laying around just so I can show you how to do this for this video. And I'm going to copy and paste it into my license field here and then hit submit. And it's going to bring me to this page here for registration. What I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to enter that device ID that I copied from my FieldGenius software early. So I would enter it in this field here, and I would enter it twice. Since I don't want to register this device with a license right now, I'm not going to go through the full walkthrough, but what you would do is you would enter that device ID twice and then hit the submit button, at which point it would prompt you to double check and make sure that that device ID is correct. It matches the one on your device, at which point you would hit OK if that is the case. And it's going to generate a key for you that you can now enter into MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So I'll just put up on screen right now a little clip of what that looks like. So there's, your device ID is now locked in, and you can see that you have a key that you can now enter into FieldGenius. Don't worry about that expiry date. It's irrelevant for the purposes of registering FieldGenius. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch FieldGenius, and I would now enter my key into this area right here. At which point you can then hit continue to launch FieldGenius, and you now have a valid activated copy of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius that you can do whatever you please with. And that is everything for today's video. And I would ask you, if you have a moment, could you please hit that subscribe button down below? It really does help us out, and it helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, whether you want to register FieldGenius or activate it for yourself, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.